it might be cool, but it's hot down here in Greenfield. Father and son are gonna have a race. Get to see you drive a little faster today, right?
Well, I'd like to.
Not around town like the last time.
No, right.
You'll get her tuned up by tomorrow.
I'll keep our fingers crossed.
Thanks, Keith, for hanging around with me today and letting me come up here where all the cool stuff is, eh?
Good times, good times.
I'm yelling because I can't hear anything.
Neither can I.
And I love the smell of rubber, buddy. Thank you.
All right, have a great one.
Woo! Smell that. Just saying goodbye to my buddy Sheldon. Best day ever.
Well, I was saying, we're done filming and you're still here, so it must have been fun.
Yeah, Keith had me out there in the center of the track. I'm covered with rubber and I smell like...
You smell like fun.
I smell like Michelin. All right, buddy? I love cars and the smell of rubber. Having a great time filming today on Maritime Machines. Woo! I gotta go ahead here. I think I'm so excited I gotta pee a little bit.